Hi and hello there, Torian! So, ngayon, no, dahil nga marami akong nakuha ng mga comments, no, doon sa past life, no, yan yung ating nakaraan, no, na Halloween season, no. So, gagawa tayo ng mga past lives, no, per zodiac sign. So, ngayon, aalamin natin, no, kung ano or sino kayo nung inyong past life. So, are you ready? Let's see. Wala tayo ditong gender, ha? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat tayo welcome. Uy, welcome new subscribers, ha? I'm Yan. Tuloy kayo dito. Puwede niyo rin bitbitin ang iba niyo pa ritong friends, family, at kung sino-sino pang ka-close ninyo, jowa niyo, lahat kayo, go! At sa aking mga returning Istam buyers, maraming salamat. Yan, alamin natin ang inyong past lives. Maraming salamat rin Archangel Michael Angel Guides. Can you please show me sino ba si Collective nung kanyang past life? Who is Taurus nung kanyang past life? Can you please show me informations, details about their past lives, please? You know, mga babes, just take only what resonates, okay? It's up to you. You have your free will if you want to claim the messages at gawin itong guidance or not. It's up to you. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this messages para sa'yo, Taurus. So guys, you do have here the energy of Four of Cups. You also have here the Mentor. The Mentor here is the Hermit. You also have here the Eight of Coins. Andito rin, Eight of Swords. You also have here the Temperance. Here then, Deception. Bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Pentacles for you guys. We also have here the Queen of Swords and the Ace of Coins. Whoa! So, dalawa yung nakukuha ko dito, no, when it comes to your past lives, no, unahin na muna natin yung isa, okay? One, this is you, no, with the mentor right in here, no, and there's this energy here of temperance. It looks like, no, you are someone here with definitely higher position, like you are not a human being way back in your past life, no? I do pick up that this is you. Others right here, no, is telling me na mabait, mabuti si Taurus. So it looks like, no, these people right in here sees you as someone here very patient as well. Parang hindi kayo rito nagagalit at kung magalit kayo, hindi kayo nagtatanim rito ng galit. Lumilipas din ito at mapagbigay pa rin kayo rito, no, sa mga tao kahit na sila ay hindi talaga nagbibigay sa inyo, no, ng as in madami. Okay? So, pagka tumulong kayo sa iba, no, parang okay lang kahit di nila kayo matulungan dito, no, and yeah, you're like an angel right in here, no, yun ang nakikita natin dito. You could be someone here who is like an angel or someone right in here who is like a deity, no, a diwata right in here. May mga lalaking diwata din, so wag kayo mag-isip na, uy, babae lang yun, miss yan, no. So, yeah, no, for my Taurus people out there, this could be you. You could be an angel here, no, or a deity, no. And it looks like with the Eight of Pentacles, we have here also no this abundance that I'm seeing. Look at that. This is a golden stone, no. And I do see that Eight of Pentacles, no. There's nothing that you can't lack, no? So, nakita natin dito, no, na meron kayong money, meron kayo ritong wealth, and you're sharing it with other people. That's why, sinasabi nila rito na mabait kayo, mabuti kayo rito. Okay? So, there's also right in here, no, na pinapakita sa akin dito, no, na if you're not a deity, if you are not a diwata right in here way back then, you are someone who is having pa rin that higher level of position, no? Okay? Kaysa sa lahat, no? So, you are like a princess, you are like a prince, you are a queen, or you are a king, you are an empress, or you are an emperor. Okay? And I do see, no, na ito kayo, you have that wealth and you share it with your people. So, nakita natin dito, no, na sa past lives ninyo, kahit na isa kayo ritong anghel, kahit na isa kayo ritong diwata, meron pa rin ditong nag-betray sa inyo, no? Na puwedeng isa sa mga tao na napag-sharean ninyo ng blessings, no? Binigyan ninyo rito, no, ng kabuhayan, binigyan niyo rito, no, ng kanila ritong solusyon sa kanilang mga problems, no? And I do see that even after all ng pagtulong mo sa kanila, may mga tao pa rin dito, no, na ginawan kayo ng hindi maganda. So it looks like, no, this is you. You were hurt by human being if you are a deity or if you are someone who is an angel, no, but you still remain na hindi nagtatanim ng sama ng loob sa kanila kahit nasaktan nila kayo rito. Okay? So it looks like, no, na even though kayo ay nagawa ng hindi maganda dati, you are still someone who is very humble pa rin. You are still someone na hindi pa rin nagsasalita ng hindi maganda sa iba. Okay? So nakita ko rito, no, na nakakaloka ha. Meron kayo ritong parang nagle-linger sa inyong soul, 'no? Kaya ako gumaganyan kasi parang yung energy is up until now, you still have this, okay? Whenever other people hurt you, kahit sino sa paligid mo rito, okay? Merong hindi magandang nangyayari sa kanya and hindi mo na yun nalalaman. Like let's say, 'no, meron ditong nagsalita lang ng hindi maganda sa'yo, 'no? Okay? Puwedeng kinabukasan, 'no, nadapa siya or nabangga yung tuhod niya sa mesa. So, may gano'ng klase ng energy na whenever other people talk bad about you, there's something bad na nangyayari sa kanila. And that is something that you do not know. That is something that you do not know. But I've seen it here. Okay? Because with the moon energy, you are reflecting here the power of a deity, the power of an angel, no? So definitely you are powerful, no? Kesa sa kahit na sino. Kaya kung ikaw ito mga babes na parang hindi mo mapigilan na maging mabait ngayon, 'no, parang, "O sige, o sige tutulungan kita diyan, o sige pagbibigyan kita diyan." 'Yan 'no, parang nahihirapan kang tumanggi lalo na 'pag kami humihingi ng tulong then definitely this is your past lives right in here, okay? You are someone here 'no na blessed with a lot of blessings in your life. And this is yun, no, higit talaga kayong nakatataas kumpara sa iba. Okay? At nakikita ko rito kung may mga tao man, no, mga babes, no, na hindi pa ngayon kina-karma. Okay? May mga levels ng karma dito. Kaya kung may, yeah, kasi dati, okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you are not a deity and if you are not an angel dati, you could be a princess or prince, okay? So may lumalabas rito, no, na may nagmahal sa inyo, no, na nag-end up na binitrayed kayo. Even though you already have everything, you have your beauty, your handsome, your attractive looks physically, talaga namang have na have, no, at meron din kayong wealth, but this person here, no, betrayed you. Others right in here, no, puwedeng binitrayed kayo in some way, shape, or form. Puwedeng pinagnakawan kayo rito or yeah, yung iba puwedeng, may iba, no, nung time na yon, no. So, I do pick up, no, that that like a curse still lingers sa energy mo ngayon. So, if someone here hurt you, pinagpalit kayo sa iba ngayon, no, sa lifetime period na ito, no, or ginawan kayo rito ng panloloko sa money, karma will definitely follow them. Look at that. That's the promise of deception here, no? Alam mo, nakakawa tayo dito ng creepy energy, ha? So, talagang iba, no, ang iyong energy dati, no? So, Miss Yan, kung titingnan mo ano talaga yung pinaka-past lives ko, kasi if I'm gonna look at this, okay, I do pick up that your past lives, no, you're an angel, you're a deity is definitely 80%, no? And you are a princess, you are a prince, you are a king, or you are a queen, that's definitely here 70%. So high chance, no, that this is you. Alin ka man dun, meron ka pa ring wealth, right? And this is you. You have that very kind-hearted in you. Okay? You're very generous, you're very thoughtful, no, yet inabuse kayo ng iba, which is yan pa rin naman yung ugali ninyo up until now. Okay? But with the Queen of Swords, nakita ko dito natuto kayo after all of this. Okay? And I do see, no, na this is you. You are still someone here who is not snob, no? Hindi pa rin ninyo rito ini-snub yung mga taong um, humihingi ng tulong, no? At malakas ang pakiramdam ninyo, no? Yan ay nakuha ninyo because you are an angel, because you are a deity, no? Way back before, no? Kaya malakas yung intuition ninyo. Alam niyo kung sino yung nanloloko lang at hindi nanloloko, no? So it looks like you still have that kind of gift in you up until now. Yeah. So I do see, no, na way back before, nakita ko rito, no, na yung mga tao ritong nasaktan kayo, binackstab kayo rito, no, they will approach you in your dreams because they cannot approach you in real life. Yan. So, I do see that that is the apology na nakarating pa rin sa inyo kasi hiyang-hiya talaga sila no, na humarap sa'yo. So, if you are having dreams or if you will have dreams of people who had betrayed you and they are saying sorry, they're apologizing, they're telling you no na asking for your forgiveness in your dreams, and definitely yun talaga yung gusto nilang gawin. It's just that they can't face you personally. Right. And yeah, you're meant to be happy, despite of all the challenges. That's the promise of Ace of Pentacles energy. You will still find love in the lifetime period now with the Ace of Pentacles. Look at how happy the moon is, and look at how bright the moon is, no? Parang super bright na parang halos kasing liwanag na rin ng araw or the sun, 'di ba? So I do pick up right in here, no, that there will be a lot of connections that you will meet, no, sometime in the future. And with this sinulid or with this thread right in here, no, yung inyo ritong mga landas ay talaga namang meant na mag-cruise. And this is building here strong partnership, mapa friendship, and even sa yung love life, magkakaroon ka ng solid na foundation with this connections that you will meet in the future. Wow. So yeah, Taurus, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for unlocking this, sharing this past lives ninyo, no, with me. And I'm so grateful, no, that you are here in this channel. I love you all, guys. And then, sarang love and light. Annyeong.